What is that over there? Hey guys, I'm Lo. I'm a singer, songwriter, eczema warrior, studio manager, and I make videos about my life. I take you along the journey of being an independent musician living in LA and the journey of dealing with eczema. So join me on Lowbrook Vlogs. Morning, it's Saturday, so I decided to take a walk near like Hollywood Boulevard. I never really buy myself coffee just because it's cheaper, obviously, to make it at home. But I was like, you know what? I'm gonna come walk around and buy myself coffee. We try to take a break from editing. I've been editing like crazy and working on music. So before I work, I decided to just kind of take a breather. But yeah, check in with you guys later. I take walks down here a lot, but sometimes I don't always look at every single star, and I'm gonna take some time and kind of check it out. I'm gonna be a tourist. Chinese theater right there. This is for my dad. Definitely COVID when there's a mask on if he runs. I made it to Capitol. Sucks that everything's closed down now. I miss industry events, actually having the ability to interact with people and network with people, and it's so different being a musician here now. We can't really do that anymore. We have to do it online. Hopefully things get better so that industry events and parties can actually start happening again. Now, Pantages, can you even see it? Made it to Little Armenia. I don't know if I've ever walked down here before. Maybe I have. I don't know. It's looks like a lot of really good food. You know, I'm like all about food. That was such a fake laugh. Oh my goodness. A lot of places are closed though, still. Obviously everything's open for takeout, but still some places have just completely shut down. I like that. Not gonna lie, I am tired right now. I'm sweating. These trees are really pretty. Yeah, I'm one of those people that always stops for the fruit thus. Always. Like, I think I want to walk with you. So he gave me this. This is the good stuff right here. So I woke up feeling super energized and like ready to go for the day. I think because I've been working out and doing yoga every day. But with that, I don't want to burn myself out, and I tend, thanks guys, and I tend to do that sometimes. If I get an idea in my head, I want to like run with it, and then I get other ideas, and I'm just like, da, 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 da. It's kind of why my logo is a hummingbird, because you know hummingbirds are just like they move so fast but elegantly, you know. I feel like that's kind of how I am. I zip around a lot, and working out even makes me feel more energized than I normally am. So yeah, I'm just taking a breather, especially after the walk. It's a good place to come to do that. It's good to take a breath sometimes, you know, even though there's horns honking in the background. Found this awesome spot too. Like I could sit here all day, take a nap. Much taller than me. Got some tom yum. Ooh, that's really good. I wasn't gonna get soup, but because I'm really hot from the walk, but this is amazing. It's really good. Okay, finally walking home. It's about, I think it's like 1 o'clock, and back on Hollywood Boulevard. Gonna go home and I think maybe relax for a little bit, and then I need to start working. Even though this is kind of working too, but different kind of working. Check in later. What is that over there? It's crazy to see how there's always a juxtaposition of life here in Hollywood. People protesting war, the Disney store and chocolate shop, someone drumming in a tent for money, homeless communities, tourists, all while Freddy Krueger and Catwoman watch along with commentary on the protest. While I was there, someone stopped to talk to me. She asked if I knew what was going on and said people came from all over the country to shed light on the situation in Ethiopia.
Yeah, so there's an Instagram page called Peace and Tigray.
What's it called?
Peace and Tigray.
Peace and Tigray.
Yeah, Peace and Tigray.
Okay, cool. Okay, thank you. Well, did 8.2 miles. And I'm finally back home. I am so tired. What was supposed to be just like a little stroll down Hollywood Boulevard turned into something totally different. I ended up going to one of my favorite places to go in LA. It's kind of like a hidden gem. Was able to just decompress for a second after walking a pretty long ways. Now I know it was 8.2 miles. I didn't expect to see the protest either. I don't know a whole bunch about what's going on in Ethiopia, but that's definitely making me want to research and look it up and find out what it is, and find out exactly what is going on in Ethiopia and what it is that they're protesting. There were some things that said hashtag Biden act now, and then I talked to someone, I didn't get her name, but she gave me the hashtag Peace and Tigray, and I'm gonna link that down below so that you guys can also do your own research and see what's going on. And if I find any information, then I'll definitely include that as well. But yeah, so a lot happened in the last couple hours. It's been an interesting day. It's about 3 o'clock now. And yeah, honestly, I'm just gonna take a shower and I might even take a nap and then maybe work on some music. So yeah, I'll catch up with you guys then. Good morning, guys. It's Sunday. I knocked out last night and I was so tired, like I was saying. And so I didn't do anything actually. I watched a couple videos on YouTube about the situation in Ethiopia. And if you guys are interested, I'll link down below what I was watching. Okay, I'm just gonna finish editing this video and try out a new pedal with my electric guitar, which I haven't played in a really long time. But I'll be including that in a different video. So make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you can keep updated on what's going on in my life. Thank you guys again for watching, and I will see you next time. How sometimes when you like somebody, you're like, is it just me or does he like me back? Oh my gosh. See, now I just feel like crying.
I'll show you what it's like to inject yourself with this.